Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off inverted camera on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, this tutorial is a very quick and easy tutorial, okay? So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your settings. And once you've clicked on settings, you want to scroll down until you see camera. Okay? So now just go ahead and click on camera. And now at the composition section, you can see the mirror front photos option. And as you can see on the right side of it, there's a switch, okay? So you need to make sure that the switch is color green, okay? So once the switch is now color green, the inverted camera on iPhone is now turned off. Okay? And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.